At dusk, tens of thousands of starlings pour into the sky and start to move like one enormous creature. It folds, it splits, it pours itself into shapes no single bird could imagine. And here's the strange part. There is no leader. Nobody is calling those turns. Every bird in that sky is following three ridiculously simple rules. And the shape you're watching is just what happens when they all obey them at once. A murmuration can hold 500,000 birds. When it turns, the turn sweeps across the whole flock in a fraction of a second, faster than any bird could possibly react to what's happening on the far side. So for a long time, people assumed there had to be something coordinating it. A lead bird. A signal passing through. Even, seriously, telepathy. The truth is stranger. Nothing is coordinating it at all. In 1986, a computer graphics researcher named Craig Reynolds tried to build a flock out of nothing but local rules. He gave each simulated bird 3 instructions. 1. Separation. Don't crowd whoever is next to you. 2. Alignment. Point roughly the same way as your neighbors are pointing. 3. Cohesion. Drift gently toward the middle of the birds around you. That's the whole program. And crucially, each bird only looks at the handful of neighbors it can actually see. Nobody has a view of the flock, so let's run it. We start with 200 birds scattered at random, all flying in totally different directions. No flock, just noise. Now switch the 3 rules on. Watch what happens. Little clusters find each other, merge, and start to sweep. The meter here measures how aligned the whole group is, from 0 for total chaos up to 100% for flying as one. It climbs, on its own, from around 10% to over 90%. Nobody organized that. It organized itself. But is it really those rules doing the work? There's a clean way to find out. Take the exact same birds, the same starting positions, and switch off just one rule: alignment. Everything else stays. On the left, without alignment, the birds mill around forever and never agree on a direction. They sit at about 15%. On the right, with all 3, they lock into a flock at over 90%. One rule, removed, and the murmuration simply never happens. That's not a story, that's an experiment. Once you know the recipe, you start seeing it everywhere. Schools of fish curling away from a shark. Swarms of locusts, clouds of midges. Crowds streaming out of a stadium. Fleets of drones holding formation. And basically every computer-generated herd, swarm, and stampede in film since the 90s, because Reynolds' work became the industry standard and eventually earned an Academy Award. Same 3 rules, over and over. So no bird in that sky can see the shape it is helping to build. Each one is just watching a few neighbors and following 3 simple instincts. The murmuration isn't planned by anyone. It's what those instincts add up to. If that leaves you a little bit amazed, you're in the right place.